Let's be honest, nobody likes dealing with bank charges. They're like those pesky mosquitoes on a summer night, annoying and always trying to take a bite out of your hard-earned money. Sadly, millions of people get hit with these charges every year, and it's often because they don't know how to avoid them. But don't worry, I'm here to help you fight back against these pesky charges and keep more of your money where it belongs, in your pocket. We're going to break down the different types of bank charges you might encounter, and more importantly, how to avoid them like the plague. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing how to navigate the world of bank fees can save you a lot of money in the long run. So let's get started on your journey to becoming a bank fee-busting champion. Banks are businesses, and like all businesses, they need to make money. But unlike other businesses, the ways banks make money can often be hidden in plain sight. One way they do this is through various fees, some of which can be quite sneaky if you're not paying attention. These fees can add up quickly, often without you even realizing it. One way they do this is through various fees, some of which can be quite sneaky if you're not paying attention. These fees can add up quickly, often without you even realizing it. Let's shine a light on some of the most common culprits. By understanding these fees, you can take steps to avoid them and keep more of your hard-earned money. First up, we have ATM fees. These are the charges you incur when you use an ATM that doesn't belong to your bank. You know the drill, you need cash, you use an ATM that's not from your bank, and bam, you're slapped with a fee. Sometimes you might even get hit with two fees, one from your bank and one from the ATM owner. Then there are overdraft fees, which can really put a dent in your account if you're not careful. These fees are charged when you spend more money than you have in your account, and they can be quite hefty. These are charged when you spend more money than you have in your account. Overdraft fees can sometimes be avoided by setting up alerts or linking your account to a savings account. And let's not forget about monthly maintenance fees, those pesky charges just for having an account. These fees can vary depending on the type of account you have and the balance you maintain. It's like paying rent for your own money. But there are often ways to avoid these fees, such as maintaining a minimum balance or setting up direct deposits. It's enough to make your head spin. The sheer number of fees and the different ways they can be applied can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we'll tackle each of these fees head-on in the coming sections. By the end, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to navigate the sneaky world of bank fees and keep more of your money where it belongs. ATM fees may seem small, but they can add up over time, especially if you're frequently withdrawing cash. The good news is, they're incredibly easy to avoid. The simplest solution? Use your bank's ATMs whenever possible. Most banks have a network of ATMs where you can withdraw cash for free. Plan ahead and make a note of where your bank's ATMs are located, so you're not caught out. Another handy tip is to check if your bank participates in any surcharge-free ATM networks. Some banks have agreements with other financial institutions that allow their customers to use their ATMs without incurring fees. And here's a proactive strategy. Get into the habit of withdrawing a larger sum of cash less frequently, rather than making multiple small withdrawals. This minimizes your trips to the ATM, and reduces the likelihood of getting hit with fees. Section 4. Taming the Overdraft Beast. Strategies for staying in the black. In this section, we'll explore practical tips and techniques to help you manage your finances effectively and avoid those dreaded overdraft fees. Overdraft fees are like those unexpected bills that arrive at the worst possible time. They can sneak up on you and cause significant financial stress if you're not prepared. They can really throw a wrench in your budget and leave you feeling stressed. The key is to stay proactive and vigilant about your spending habits. But fear not, because taming the overdraft beast is entirely possible with some smart money management. By implementing a few simple strategies, you can keep your finances in check and avoid unnecessary fees. The golden rule? Keep track of your balance. Regularly monitoring your account can help you stay aware of your financial situation. Knowing how much money you have available is crucial to avoid overspending. Make it a habit to check your balance frequently, especially before making any significant purchases. Thanks to technology, staying on top of your finances has never been easier. With the advent of mobile banking apps, you can manage your money on the go. Most banks offer mobile banking apps that allow you to check your balance anytime, anywhere. These apps can be a lifesaver when it comes to avoiding overdrafts. Set up account alerts to receive notifications when your balance falls below a certain threshold. This way, you'll always be in the know and can take action before it's too late. This gives you a heads up and helps you avoid dipping into the red. Being alerted in real time can make a significant difference in managing your finances effectively. And if you know you have a big expense coming up, consider setting aside funds specifically for that purpose. Planning ahead can save you from financial headaches down the road. This way, you won't accidentally overspend when your regular bills are due. By being mindful and organized, you can maintain a healthy financial balance and stay in the black. Section 5. Choosing the right account. Say no to monthly fees. Monthly maintenance fees might seem unavoidable, but here's the truth. They're not. These fees can add up over time, eating into your hard-earned money. Many banks offer accounts with no monthly fees, and switching to one can save you a significant amount of money each year. Imagine what you could do with those extra savings. When choosing a bank account, don't be afraid to shop around and compare what's available. Take your time to research and find the best option for you. Look for accounts that meet your specific needs and offer perks that align with your financial goals. Some accounts come with benefits like cash back or higher interest rates. Some banks waive monthly fees if you maintain a minimum balance or set up direct deposit. These conditions can be easy to meet with a bit of planning. Others offer fee waivers for students, seniors, or military personnel. These special accounts can provide significant savings over time. Don't hesitate to negotiate with your bank. A simple conversation can sometimes lead to unexpected benefits. Ask if they can waive or reduce your monthly fees, especially if you've been a loyal customer for a while. Loyalty can often be rewarded. The worst they can say is no, but you might be surprised at how often they're willing to work with you. Taking control of your finances starts with making informed choices. Section 6. Take control of your finances. A final word. Avoiding bank charges is all about being proactive and taking control of your finances. By following the tips and tricks we've discussed, you can keep more of your hard-earned money where it belongs, in your pocket. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about bank fees and how they work, the better equipped you'll be to avoid them. Don't be afraid to ask questions, shop around for the best deals, and negotiate with your bank. Your wallet will thank you for it. And remember, staying vigilant about your banking habits is an ongoing process. Make it a habit to regularly review your statements, track your spending, and stay informed about any changes to your bank's fee structure. By taking a proactive approach to managing your money, you can enjoy greater financial peace of mind.